Okay, we're up to the letter Hey in the Keset Siman Hey, Halacha Hey, and here's what the Hey looks like. So this is what the Keset tells us about the Hey. Ideally, there should be a little crown on the Hey on the left side, and also on the back of it there should be an okay. It's a point, small point, so that it should be square like the Daled, and not circular like the Reish. And the dot in the middle, the dot in the middle of the hay, should not be too far from the top, should not be ideally farther than the thickness of the quill. But it shouldn't be too close to the roof of the hay, but rather it should be between them a portion so that a person can recognize it when he's reading it from the Torah scroll. And if it touches the top of the hay, even a very thin touch, like a thread of a hair, it's disqualified. And it shouldn't be in the middle of the roof, but rather on the left side. And if you did in the middle, it's going to be disqualified, and you need to fix it, unless the fix doesn't help, and then you should make it kosher, even ideally. And then he says there are some who have a tradition that the nakuda, that is the thin nakuda at the top, should be thin at the top and thick at the bottom, like an upside down yud, because the hay is really a daled and a yud, which is the letters of God's name. And yud should be, the bottom of the yud should be pointed akuma lamato tzad yamin. It should be pointed towards the right side and not the left side, because we don't want the hay to look like a tuft.